Hey guys, this is Hirababu and you are watching programmingscript.com, and in this lecture today we will discuss about multi-threading. And in the multi-threading, as we know, we can create thread by two methods. The first way we have to go for extending the thread class, and another we have a way to implement the interface, that is runnable interface. Okay, so what we have till now that we have already discussed in the first class of multi-threading. Okay, so if you are not aware of that, so please go and watch the first part of the multi-threading on my channel. Okay, or you can see here in this playlist only, you can search the multi-threading. Okay, so what we have written in this program, we have created a very simple program, that is a simple class, and that is extending a thread class, that is a parent class, and which is present in the java.lang package. Okay, so as we know, we have a thread class that is already defined in uh, java.lang package, and internally the thread class implements the runnable. So either you go for extending the thread class, or you can directly come to a runnable interface or implement the same way as the thread has done. Okay, so you can go for any of these two way. Okay, so what we have here, so runnable interface have some name, priority, and those things they have already, right? So we will discuss in this lecture. So let's see if runnable interface have everything, like interface that has methods, those things. So we are overriding in this class, right? How the thread gets the run method. Okay, and the run method came to a simple thread, right? While we have uh, extending feature, we can get all the properties from the parent to child. Okay, so as child has run method, what we can do, we can create a for loop here, and we can override it. So only this part you can change, whatever you write you can change this part, but the syntax will be remain same. This syntax will not change, because when we override, syntax will not change. So we have just enter this value, like we have created a for loop to print this value, and this we have a thread. That thread will sleep for 2 millisecond, 2 second, and again it will print the value. Okay, so how we have created, we have created a very simple way. What is there, we are creating a simple thread t, and this is the value. Okay, so now you can understand how we are doing. We have created a very simple object, and object is calling t.start method. As you know, the when we call t.start, it will automatically call the run method, and it will print the child value, and after that the main thread will be running. But we have both thread have same priority, child and parent, right? If you are not aware of child and parent, so let me tell you कि when a class is extending a thread class, it becomes a child thread. Okay, why it became? Because Java has a method. If we have a class, and in the class we have main, so main is already a main class, right? Main thread, and main thread, this is the main thread part, and this is the child thread part. So main thread has life cycle like this. Okay, and child thread that we have given inside the run method. So let's see the output, you will understand better. Let's understand here. So what I have did, you can say the main thread is running. Okay, what is happening, the main thread has run, and after that, after 2 seconds, one every line is coming, the child thread is running. So this is a very simple program that we have covered to understand the sleep method. Okay, so what exactly we are doing, we are doing that we have passed the thread.sleep method here. Okay, thread or sleep method, and when a thread will go for 2 seconds to sleep, the catch will interrupt that, and thread will start again. Okay, when the thread will not get up and start its work, then it will get a exception. Okay, so there is no problem. So we have two thread, and that is a main thread and child thread. So let's see the content of the program. What we have did, we have did till now, our class is extending the thread have a run method. Now we are overriding here, and we have given here the code. A for loop we have created, creating the thread is running, and just we have did a sleep method is inside the try and catch. And how we are creating the thread, just create an object and call t.start. It will automatically call to main method. That is the thread class feature. Okay, and this is the main that will run through the main thread. Okay, so thanks for watching.